Hi, this is Jen Dearden, editor, chef, and registered dietitian at Cook for Your Life. This is your most asked questions about nutrition. How much protein should I include in my diet? So how much protein you need depends on a variety of factors like your age, your biological sex, your activity level, very individualized number. But in general, if you're going to be eating more protein, this doesn't have to mean eating more meat. Try to look for plant sources of protein, so things like beans, nuts, seeds, legumes. Quinoa and soy are complete proteins, meaning they have all of the essential amino acids that your body needs. Great soy foods include tofu, tempeh, miso, and edamame. If you're looking for a great tofu recipe, our pan-fried marinated tofu is packed with dried and fresh herbs and spices and is super flavorful. Keep in mind when eating plant protein, some sources are incomplete, so try to vary things like whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds throughout the day to make sure that you get all of the amino acids that your body needs. Animal-based foods are high in protein, but they can be higher in fat. So look for lower fat sources like chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, and dairy, and try to limit higher fat sources like beef, red meat, and especially processed meats. Portion size matters, so if you're having animal protein, one serving is about the size of the palm of your hand or a deck of cards. A clenched fist is about the size of a serving for things like beans, legumes, and whole grains. Cook for Your Life helps people navigate one of the most essential yet challenging parts of the cancer experience, food. For more recipes and nutrition tips, check out cookforyourlife.org.